I don't know whether to say if Proxy actually was replaced by 9Proxy. So I don't know how to put it, but in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to redeem your CD key on 9Proxy and also how to connect your proxy. Now, regarding what I said in the beginning of this video, which is I don't know if Proxy has actually stopped working and maybe replaced by 9Proxy, I don't know. But if you have an idea, you can comment that on this video. Alright, so like I said, this video is strictly showing you how to connect your CD key on this 9Proxy and also how to connect your proxy right here. So the first thing you want to do is to create an account on this 9Proxy platform, right? You must own an account before you can be able to redeem your CD key and also connect your proxy. But before I proceed with this video, guys, if you're coming across this channel for the first time or you're hearing this voice for the first time, this is the voice of Joaking. So what I do right on this platform is to leverage online platforms, show you what works in the online space. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please feel free to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. Alright, so if you have any question in the process of this video, feel free to drop that on this video. Now, to proceed with this, the first thing you want to do is to register for an account. You can see right here where it says sign in, or you can continue with Google. So what I'm going to do right now is to continue with Google. I'm going to be using my existing email address to sign into this platform. So I'm going to click on continue with Google right here, and it's going to take me over to my Google account. So what I just need to do is to continue with my Google account. So I'm going to insert my Google email right here. So I'm going to click on next, and I'm going to insert my password to proceed with this. So I've inserted my password right here. The next thing I want to do is to click on next so I can be signed into this platform, right? So I just need to give access to this. So I've actually given access to this. So I'll be logging into this platform, right? So I'm going to be showing you how you can redeem your CD key after getting this CD key from me. Now, for some of us that are new and don't know what CD key is actually a group of letters or numbers that can be used to give you what you need as a proxy. So that is what CD key is used for. It is actually used to connect your proxy. So right now, let me quickly log into my account. So I'm going to be logging into this account, and I'm going to be showing you how to redeem your CD key. It's actually very simple. Now, the moment you have gotten your CD key from me, all you can actually do right now is to come down to this three hamburger right here. You can see it. So this is how the interface will look like after you have created your account. So I don't want to bore you with a lot of options right here, so just come straight to this particular three icons right here up here. So you are going to be finding this particular IPS. Okay, so click on the IPS. So once you click on IPS, you can see right now that we don't have any IPS right here. So what you're going to do is to come down. You're going to be finding the redeem button. Okay, you're going to be finding the redeem button down here. You can see redeem code. So once you're here, you don't actually need to go through anything. Just go down. You are going to be seeing redeem code. You can see we have no IP right here. You can see no IPS right here. So come down, and you are going to be pasting the code you have gotten for me. So you can see redeem code. So you are going to be pasting this code right here. All right, the moment you paste this code, just click on redeem code. So you just hold on for some seconds. So you can see right here, congratulations, one share code you have entered has been successfully redeemed. So go ahead to click on done. Now, for the first person watching this video to this extent, you can go ahead to use this particular proxy, because when I'm actually putting in all these things, I'm not going to be hiding any details right here. So we have actually redeemed this. So when you come right here, you can see right here we have 5 IP. So I think this is actually straightforward. So when I showed you this, we are already on 0 IP. So right now we have 5 IPs. So once you redeem it, you're going to be seeing the total IP you have right now. Now the question you want to ask is, how do I connect my proxy right now? Now it's very simple. From this particular section, you would go down to proxy to web. You can see it right here. You go down to proxy to web. This is it. We have information, we have pricing, we have proxy to web. Just go down to proxy to web, then go over to create proxy, right? So when you come down to create proxy, the next thing you want to do is to click on add new, because you're actually coming to this platform for the first time and you don't have any connected proxy. So click on add new. Now the moment you click on add new, you come right here, put in a username and put in a password. Now while doing this, make sure they are not in capital letters and you are not using symbols. All right, so I'm going to come right here and put in my username to be Joaking. Okay, I'm going to be using mine to be Joaking, and I'm going to insert my password right here. So right now I've actually inserted my password. All right, so the next thing you want to do is to come down to where you can actually see limited and unlimited. So I will advise you to go for the limited. So what this actually means is that when you go for limited right here, because I advise you to go for limited, limited makes you control your proxy manually, because an IP lasts for 24 hours. So instead of this IP to roll over to the next IP, it makes you controls it manually. So what unlimited does is that after 24 hours, the IP activates automatically. So you won't know when you're using the second IP when you are on unlimited. So I advise you go for limited so you can always manually control your IP. So let's come under limited. So under limited, you are going to be putting just one. Okay, you're going to be putting just one IP. So for the bandwidth, just leave it under unlimited. All right, so then come right here and click on add sub user, right? So just add sub user. You can see right here we have created this successfully. All right, so right now this is the next phase. So since we are done with that, the next thing to do is to come down under the country. You are going to select your country. You can actually go ahead to select any country of your choice. For some of us asking, I need a proxy of United States, I need a proxy of United Kingdom, all you just have to do is to choose your country yourself while doing this, while in this process. So right now we are going to select the United States. As you can see right now, automatically the host comes up by itself. So right here you can see you can either come right here to select either state, city or ISP. So let's leave it as state, and we come down under state to select our state. So let's go for something that we want. So let me say I'm actually going for England. So I'm going to search for England right here. So I just need to get what I want. So I'm going to select England right here, or you can as well go for Texas depending on what you want. So let's just go for Texas. So you can as well select any state of your choice. So duration right here, you are going to leave it at 24 hours. Right? So and the proxy endpoint is actually and the next thing we are to do. So proxy endpoint, we are always leaving it at hosts and name, ports and username and password. So you come right here, you are going to see this. So it depends on what you want. So we have hosts, name, ports, username and password. So that is that. You can see concurrent section, you just leave it at 10. Okay, so that is it. So you can copy any of these right here. You can go ahead to copy any of these. So you can see we have 1 to 10. So you can go ahead to copy any of these, it works. Now your proxy is ready, so let's go ahead to copy number 4. Let's go ahead to copy number 4. Now we've copied number 4. So what we have to do is to go over to our super proxy to get this connected. But before we get this connected, let me quickly paste this on our notes so we can as well differentiate between which is our protocol, our server, our port, and username and password. Now I'm not going to be hiding any details from you. I'm going to be showing you the details of this proxy. So anyone that have watched this video to this extent and fast enough to use this proxy is the lucky person to have this proxy. So let me go ahead to paste this on my notes and differentiate between server, ports, username, and password. So right now I'm on my notepad. I'm going to paste this right here. Okay, I believe we can all see this. This is actually it. So what we are going to do right now is to go ahead to copy this one after the other. To copy this is very simple. The first thing you have to do is to go over to your super proxy. Now from your super proxy, let me say Joaking US. You can as well name this anything at all. So your protocol is always SOX5, right? So what we need now is the server, port, username, and password, right? So we are going to get our server right here. Now when you come right here, you can see nice proxy.io. So that is where you get your server. You copy it right here. So anything after the colon you don't copy. So anything you're getting is before the colon. So that is what they use to differentiate from the port, server, and username and password. So right now niceproxy.io is actually our server. So we are going back and we're going to paste our server right here. Now one thing about proxy and super proxy is that if what you're pasting is not correct, you're going to see a red sign right here. So if it's correct, you're going to see a green tick just like what you're seeing. So we are going to copy our port right here. So I said anything after or before the column is what we are copying. So you can see right here I've copied this. This is our port. So I've copied this and I'm going to paste it right here. So you can see that it has ticked green. So what we actually need right now is our username and password, right? So we're going to come right here and we're going to copy our username and password. So from this column right here is going to be our username. Anywhere you see column, you stop copying. It's going to be our username. So let's copy this again to this extent. Let's copy this backward. Let's copy this like this. Okay, right, and let's copy this so we are good. All right, so and we paste our username right here, and if it's not correct you will be notified, right? So what we actually need right now is our password. You copy your password and you paste your password right here. Now your password is what is going to give it access to be ticked green. So you can see everything right here has been ticked green. So what you have to do next is to come right here and save this. So you click on start. You can see your proxy is activated. Now let's go ahead to confirm if we are truly on the United States proxy. So I'm going to head over to my Edge browser and I'm going to go over to wa.net, right? So let's confirm if we are on US proxy. So we are going to confirm this ourselves. So we are going to confirm this ourselves. So you can see it's actually loading. So what you're going to be getting is the details of your proxy connected. So you're not going to be showing Nigeria. So you can see right here, this is our IP and we are actually good to go. So that is how to redeem your CD key. Also connect your proxy on 9Proxy. I hope this video helps you in getting connected and also redeeming your CD key. So if you have any question regarding everything said in this video, feel free to drop your comments and ask your questions so we can know where to assist. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got much value from this video. And if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watch. However, it's always advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group where I share some specific ways you can use to boost your online earnings in today's world. So see you on my next video and keep winning.